Smoke until the stupid state, stay until it's late. Sweet like chocolate cake, tart just like the shit I roll off paper plates. Search for sweet escape because inside I feel I'm dying slow. I tell you all that.
All right, so I'm inside the C7. I gotta be real with you. I'm not that comfortable in here. I don't like it. It just doesn't fit for me. It's not a nice car to me. I mean, it's a nice car, but I just don't fit in here very well. I don't know what it is, dude. My head like was really close to the roof and stuff. It's like, just ain't me. That's weird. Plus, I don't like this. It's like a button to get out. It's not a mechanism. Like, what if we freaking crash, dude? You know? Like, what if we crash and it doesn't work anymore? I don't like that. It's sketchy. I do like the C7 stuff. It's nice. I don't know if I said C8 inside. Might be C. It's a C7 though. Sick. Check this shit out, right? It's like a nice little canyon. It's a nice car, you know? You're like, oh man, sweet. Price try. I'm sure the price will be good on one of these things, you know? Then you get in and you're like, I'm just gonna give her a start. Let's see. You hear that? Holy fuck, dude. Someone's knocking on the door and it's not anybody I want to answer for. Damn. Got a 135. Everybody loves a good 135. They're nice little cars. But this one's like, just been blasted and abused, you can tell. It's just dirty. Smoker's car. It's like somebody, look at the Nittos. It's like somebody had money in the front lip. They had money to spend, but they were just lazy as hell, and they never washed it or took care of it or cleaned it or changed the oil or any of those other things. And these 35s will just get you in trouble so fast. Not even funny. Literally. Clean title, no accidents. Never been in a wreck. Perfect first car. You know? Really great for college students. This is the kind of stuff they buy and then they just polish the turd and sell it to you. Look at that. Now they locked their keys in the car, so they just decided to ruin everything. Freaking hey, dude. So, I really like to buy these Toyota Matrix. This one's an XR. I just sold one of these for like $2,500 that had like 190,000 miles on it. This one has 107,000. But the roof is like sauced. That's what happens if you never wax your car in Florida. Just paint gets eaten off of it and then they never freaking get anything out of it. But it's dirty as hell too. So we'll see. If it goes for cheap, AC blows kind of warm too, so it could need a charge or it could need other stuff. But if it goes for cheap, it's worth it. Look at that. Damn. Kind of nuts. I do like these little cars though. And they're good sellers and they're good runners. That thing's sweet, right? Blacked out GT. They're always automatic. I don't get it. What do we got here? Why do we got gauge pods in here? Am I about to be pleasantly surprised with something? What do we got? That's a boost gauge. Uh-oh. What are we doing here? Widowmaker. Okay. Why does it have a boost gauge if there's no turbo or supercharger? Am I missing it? There's not a supercharger on this thing. Why do they have a boost gauge? What the hell is it hooked up to? They just have their boost gauge on their vacuum system? Oh my God. I didn't think it sounded supercharged or turbocharged, but that's unreal right there. I'm shutting this freaking stupid thing off. You got a false boost gauge, bro. That ain't cool. So this one's definitely going on the list to come home with me because it's just overall really clean. It's an 09 Ford Fusion, right? Really nice, 126,000 miles. Has a really good MMR. They sell for a decent price. Pretty cheap, and it's manual, dude. Clutch feels really nice. Interior's freaking squeaky clean. Oh shit. Interior's squeaky clean. Look at that. Really, really nice car, man. Somebody'd be happy to have that thing. And it's nice. It smells really good. No issues. Nice. That one's definitely on the list. Got a nice automatic Civic, right? Wham. Automatic, and then you come over here and you're like, oh yeah, baby. Got your carbon hood. Got your, clearly this is his old sponsored car. Optima batteries, AEM, DC Sports, engine. Good old eBay specials. Like, man, look at the headlights. Boy, you killing it, bro. You killing it. This is such a well-spec'd SRT. Like, oh man, look at those wheels. Damn, boy. Damn, boy. Got them Goodyear Eagles on there. Shredding some goods, some years, dude. Oh man. Dude, I love these things, dude. I really do. They're so sick. And they're just probably comfortable as hell to drive around in. And just the hood shape, you know, you just, it's like you know this is a fast car, dude. Insane. I will own one of these 392s one day, for sure. So I got another one, bam, little Hemi over there, little Hemi action. There's a ton of cars out here today. Little Jeep Compass, another little freaking, it's not an SRT. Nah. I don't know what the B's were. Comment down below. Once they're not, I don't know what that nomenclature is, or that, oh, it's wow, it is a 392. Look at the shaker hoods. I love the shaker hood, that's so sick. It really is. My buddy used to have a pit bull named Hemi. I think he's still around. So check out this freaking Cobalt, right? 170,000 miles. Look at the paint job on it, dude. It's so pearl, it's not even funny. I don't know if you can see that. It's got like such a nice pearl color to it, dude. The paint job's worth twice what the car's worth. It's actually nice. I'm probably gonna try to buy this one. It sucks you can't even drive them right now. Cause it's like, how the hell do you know if the transmission works? I'll tell you, AC works, it's kind of pretty clean. Be willing to take the risk on it. I don't know what the hell happened here. They got kind of cat fight on your hood, but not too bad, dude. Not at all. Check this out, dude. Got your Sport Mind powered by Turd Sport. Pretty sweet, right? And it's weird that when people start brands these days, they just put names in front of each other, like Ocean Life Cartel, Cartel Life Ocean. It's like, dude, come on, get a little more creative than that, for Christ's sake. Start something called Auction Dog, dude, right? Not bad. So, a little free game for you. One of the unfortunate facts about buying low mileage cars like this is like 70,000 miles, right? It's actually pretty clean. It's a nice car, and you'd think, oh, it's PT Cruiser, it'll go for 800 bucks, you know? Nope, this won't, because people take them with low mileage like that. You can put them on a buy here, pay here lot. So they don't even care how much they pay for it, because they're gonna put it up there for $4,000 or $5,000, you know, in payments of $250 per month. So it really screws the market up for people like me who don't do buy here, pay here, and are cash only, because we can't even touch stuff like this. We're basically, they don't buy anything over 100, you know, 100, 110,000. That's pretty much it. So that's like the sweet spot for us. But you know, it's just kind of, it's kind of odd, because you wouldn't think that they'd be buying one of these, but it doesn't matter what it is. If it has low mileage and it's good, you know, it's over 2002, you know, newer than 2002, then you better believe they're going to be bidding on it. Got your little 1 Series, little 128. Not a bad car. It's automatic. Doesn't really make me happy in the pants, but it's really not bad. Nice little daily for somebody. Always crack me up about these grills too. It's like, I don't know, man. That's just not for me. This is way too much. But I don't even know if that's factory. It might very well be. Probably isn't though. Maybe it is. It looks really nice, like painted and stuff. So I don't know. It's kind of funny looking. And then check this thing out too. Like FX4. It's an F350. That's a bad motherfucker right there. Oh, dude, I gotta stop cursing in my episodes. This is a bad mother trucker right here. Literally. Alcoas, lifted, nice running boards. It's on a freaking, it's on a Fabtech lift. That's sick, dude. This thing's ready to go. I love that stuff right there. But wham, dude, that's a daily and a half right there. That's sick. Platinum. Ain't no gold around here, we platinum.